Linking your bank account to Hopper allows for seamless transactions when booking flights and accommodations. Follow these steps to connect your bank account. Step 1. Open the Hopper app. Launch the Hopper app on your mobile device. Ensure you are logged into your account. If you don't have an account, you will need to create one first. Step 2. Navigate to Payment Settings. Once you are in the app, go to your profile or account settings. Look for a section labeled Payment or Payment Methods to access your payment options. Step 3. Select Add Bank Account. In the payment settings, find the option to add a new payment method. Choose Add Bank Account to begin the linking process. Step 4. Enter bank details. You will be prompted to enter your bank account information. This typically includes your account number, routing number, and any other required details. Ensure all information is accurate to avoid issues. Step 5. Confirm and save. After entering your bank details, review the information for accuracy. Once confirmed, save the changes. You may receive a verification email or notification to finalize the linking process. Now your bank account is linked to Hopper, making it easier to manage your bookings. Enjoy your travel planning.